Hello, I'm Dr. Ilhaam Sheikh, general anesthetic dentist and voiceover artist based in Dubai and India. I attended Dr. Mayur Dabra's dental photography course in Pune last month, and I must confess, it was the best impromptu decision ever and the most prudent way to utilize 3 days of my visit to India. Dr. Mayur has woven every important thread and put together every fine pixel from his personal and professional experience to match flawlessly, and has created a course for us dentists that I could most expectantly call as the holy grail of dental photography. What my takeaway from the course was that even if you very mechanically, very robotically follow the settings, the patient-doctor positions, and use the armamentarium as proposed by Dr. Mayur, you will be able to consistently click photographs that require zero edit and that comply with the international presentation criteria. It will help you maintain your records for your office use, seamless communication with the laboratory, and even patient education. Apart from whatever has been enlisted as course details, Dr. Mayur has indoctrinated everything, right from handling the equipment, the body stance, as well as taking care of the equipment. They say, patience is a virtue not many possess, and to have a teacher who's loaded with it is a blessing. And that, my dear friends, is Dr. Mayur for you. 3 days with Dr. Mayur are absolutely action-packed. They're humorous, they're loaded with information. Of course, we all have to write an examination too. So at the end of it, it does satiate our desire to learn, but it also leaves us tingling for more. I totally agree with the fact that his course should be a week long and not just 3 days. I call him Sensei. The moment he picks up the camera to shoot and changes his body stance, you can imagine a martial arts teacher getting into position, and after that, the results boast that shutter sound. Behold, just wow. He will inspire you to get better with every single click. Don't miss any of his podcasts or YouTube videos. They hold very interesting insights to a lot of photography content and are very epigrammatic too. And lastly, thank you so much, Dr. Mayur, for the epic model photo shoot for me that you did on the last day. It was smooth and so much fun. I've made a reel of it and posted it on my Instagram handle. And for all those listening, head his way for more of that too. Cheers, guys, and God bless.